Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I shall show you how to successfully display Arabic text on Oracle Form 14c and on Oracle Reports 14c. So both from database, whether you are building a multi-language application and supporting Arabic user, this video will help you. I basically shown you the form on which I have successfully rendered the Arabic text. And this is a real time from database. So I basically and add my data into database, and from the same database, I will show you a report where the text is rendering in Arabic. So you can see my link here for the forms. Let's start it. So this is a 14c form Oracle. So you can see my whole bar, which is in Arabic, and this is my toolbar, which is showing absolutely same, and the direction is the right to left as for the Arabic standard. So here I'm getting some text in English, and if I show the Arabic button, so you can see the text from database is successfully rendering on Oracle forms. And same if I click on report, so you can see that my report is successfully rendering with the Arabic text. If we talk about Oracle report builder, so you can see that I have successfully rendered this toolbar into Arabic. Also, there are some places where Arabic is not correctly rendering. This is due to my language setting on Windows, and this is very pretty easy that I can also set this. And if I shown you my form, so you can see this is in English because I have to set it in English as is. So basically in this tutorial I have shown you that I have successfully rendered this Arabic text on my Oracle forms and reports 14c. So you can hire me if you want to make same environment or make any production environment migrate to your new Oracle Form 14c.